you can easily eat it like this because we didn't separate this part. So it is a very filling, healthy, vegan um, lunch or a snack or a dinner. Actually, this is good for one person. Usually we don't cut it, but I want to show you the inside part. So that is why I just cut it like this. But the falafels are is inside this. So welcome to Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I am making another recipe of falafel. This is from the Palestine region, the original recipe. So I am using chickpeas here, soaked and skinned chickpeas. I'm putting it in the blender. We are going to make a paste out of it little by little. Into that I am adding couple of garlic. I just added a little bit of ginger, like 1 inch piece of ginger, just to have the spice. And I am going to add 2 green chilies into it. I'm grinding it little by little. I am adding one good 2 teaspoon of cumin seed into it and a pinch of fennel because I like the taste of fennel. Then the green chilies. Let me make a paste and I'm going to do batches. I just made a nice first blend of all that, the spices, um, the and everything, the green chili. So now I have the main ingredients, all the grains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up one bunch of parsley, one bunch of cilantro, one bunch of green onion, and I will pulse it in the food processor. First, I will chop it up a little bit, pulse it, and mix it with this. So we will have little pieces there. This parsley stems are little. The parsley stems are little hard. I'm just removing too much of that into my falafel. So I'm just taking out the big stems here. I'll chop it up the remaining. Okay, I think that's it. We don't have to really do because I'm going to pulse it in the food processor. So I'm just taking a rough chop is good enough. You can chop it finely also, but this is convenient for me. I'm taking out all the stems. I'm going to chop the green onions just because I like the onion taste in it. So this is I'm just adding it. This also is a rough chop is good enough because we are going to process it in the food processor. Now I am going to add one bunch of cilantro. Cilantro is optional, but I like cilantro taste in it. I am not going to waste any part of the cilantro because cilantro stems are very soft. It will blend very well, very tender. We can pulse it in the food processor easy. And let's take our greens to the food processor and I'll show you how I do it once I'm done with it. Food processor jar, I'm just adding everything and finally chopping it in this one. Time I added half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds in it. These are my preferences. Half a teaspoon of black pepper whole. Mixing it before I add the leaves, and I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Just a little bit baking soda to give it that soft falafel texture. Whenever you add baking soda, whenever you add baking soda, it's good to add a little bit of lemon juice to activate it. I'm just adding a little bit lemon juice, so I'm mixing it, everything together. A little bit acid in it. Now I have the greens ready now. Bringing it out here. All my chopped up greens. Smells so good now. A very little bit of that grains, it's packed with the nutrients, so I don't want to waste anything. I like to see the texture of this everything in it, so that's why I didn't grind it, but instead I did a good mixing it. The falafel into the elongated version because I'm just testing the oil. Yeah, it's already hot, so I'm adding the rest. This is for even cooking, so it will cook inside and I can preserve some color. I'm just reducing that temperature a little bit. So it will cook. Just move it. The first one. Just turning it. Side it is cooking. I'm just taking everything out now. I heated the oil back to very high temperature. I'm adding one by one. It's cooked inside perfectly well. That's why. So the falafels are ready now, and I made it for my daughter's. She's moving into dorm for the summer internship, so I just made it for her. So I'm just making only one today, just to see how the pita pockets. I'm cutting a pita bread. I already toasted the pita, and you just open it up like a pocket here, so we can fill it up with everything. I have some yogurt here, and I have some chili sauce. I like a little pink, red colors, and I'm adding little bit salt. That's going to be my sauce. Usually they use the Greek yogurt. The tzatziki, for the tzatziki, I'm adding this. I have one small cucumber diced very fine. I'm going to make the tzatziki. Greek yogurt, salt, and some spice. You can put red chili powder, but I just used the chili sauce, and then you just mix it. And you can use this as a sauce also. I don't want too watery, that's why I didn't add the whole thing. So tzatziki is ready, and I have some green chutney, mint chutney I have. I'm going to use my green chutney. This is the mint and coriander chutney. This will give a nice flavor with the cucumbers. Then we are going to fill it up with some of this tzatziki. I have some diced tomatoes, a little more tzatziki, and I have my falafels. I'm keeping that in it. And if you want, we added some hummus into that. Hummus is a chickpea uh, paste. It has a tangy taste to it because of the lemon juice. And I'm adding a little more of those um, tomatoes. And if you want, you can add more tzatziki. Actually, you can fill it up with any kind of vegetables like bell pepper, whatever you like. I like to um, create my own versions of this. And this is the Mediterranean pita pockets. You can easily eat it like this because we didn't separate this part. So it is a very filling, healthy, vegan um, lunch or a snack or a dinner. Actually, this is good for one person. Usually we don't cut it, but I want to show you the inside part. So that is why I just cut it like this. But the falafels is inside this. Thank you for watching my video. This is a quick recipe, falafel pockets. Actually, falafel pita pockets. Nice vegan addition to my recipes. Or if you have any suggestions, please comment what all the kinds of vegetables you like to see in it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.